how Jeevan Utsav can be the celebration of life you've been looking for and enrich your insurance portfolio. Marking a significant addition to their esteemed portfolio, LIC introduced Jeevan Utsav to the public on the 29th of November 2023. This isn't just another plan, it's a lifelong commitment from LIC of India to you. And the cherry on the top, the benefits are guaranteed. No matter what's happening in the markets or the world, it's your financial safety net for life, simple and secure. Now, let's dive deeper into the Jeevan Utsav plan. Picture this, a plan that provides a guaranteed income at the rate of 10% of the sum assured year after year, starting from a set year. For instance, if you opt for a sum assured of 10 lakh rupees, you're looking at an assured annual income of 1 lakh rupees for life. But there's more. The plan also comes with guaranteed additions. Imagine receiving an additional 40 rupees for every 1000 rupees of your sum assured annually during the payment period. That's 40,000 rupees every year on a policy of 10 lakh sum assured. It's not just a plan, it's a partnership for prosperity with LIC of India. Jeevan Utsav extends its welcome from the youngest of dreamers, starting at just 90 days old, to the seasoned age of 65 years. With a flexible premium payment period ranging from 5 to 16 years, subject to certain terms, this plan caters to a diverse age group. Whether you're planning for the near future or the long haul, Jeevan Utsav offers a breadth of choices to fit your life's timeline. It's a plan designed for everyone, adapting to your unique financial journey. Let's bring the benefits of Jeevan Utsav to life with an example. Imagine Mr. Akash, a 30-year-old who decides to secure his future with this plan, choosing a sum assured of 10 lakh rupees. Akash opts for a premium payment term of 15 years, which is well within the flexible range offered by LIC. Now, here's where it gets interesting. After his payment term, there's a brief deferment period, just 2 years in Akash's case, before the guaranteed income kicks in. This deferment period is clearly outlined in a chart provided by LIC, which indicates when you can start expecting your payouts. For Akash, this means his guaranteed income of 10% of the sum assured, which amounts to 1 lakh rupees annually, will be payable at the end of the 18th year and thereafter for life. It's like clockwork. Once the 18th year is complete, the payout celebrations begin. Jeevan Utsav doesn't just stop at offering a guaranteed income, it goes a step further by presenting two attractive income options. Let's delve into what Mr. Akash can choose. Option 1 is the regular income benefit, where Akash receives a steady 10% of the sum assured annually, a straightforward and reliable income stream. Option 2 is the flexi income benefit, which adds a layer of flexibility. In this option, Akash can choose to accumulate his payouts, growing them at a compounded interest rate of 5.5%. And when he needs it, he can withdraw up to 75% of the accumulated balance once a year at his convenience. This means Akash has the freedom to let his benefits grow and access them when the moment is right for him, be it for a major life event, an investment opportunity, or any financial need that arises. For the remarkable advantages of the Jeevan Utsav plan, Mr. Akash invests an annual amount of just 65,900 rupees plus GST. But that's not all. Should the need arise, Akash can choose to cash in on his policy, receiving a sum based on the sum assured, the guaranteed additions he's accumulated over time, and any income benefits he might have opted to grow. And let's talk about the most crucial aspect, the lifelong insurance coverage. It's a commitment that extends beyond numbers and charts, offering a safety net that remains firm with age. In an unforeseen event, the death benefit is robust. It's the sum assured upon death, which is calculated as the higher of either 7 times the annualized premium, 105% of all premiums paid, or the basic sum assured, plus any accrued guaranteed additions. This ensures that Mr. Akash's loved ones are secured with a substantial safety shield. And there's more financial flexibility woven into Jeevan Utsav. If Mr. Akash faces any immediate monetary needs, he has the option to take out a loan against his policy. This financial lifeline is accessible after 2 full years of premium payments, ensuring that Akash has the monetary support when it's most crucial. To sum it up, LIC of India's Jeevan Utsav is more than just an insurance plan. It's a commitment to your financial well being and a celebration of life's milestones. With its guaranteed benefits, flexible options, and lifelong coverage, Jeevan Utsav is designed to adapt to your unique financial journey and provide a secure future for you and your loved ones. Thank you for joining us today on Insurance Funda. We hope this detailed overview of the Jeevan Utsav plan helps you make an informed decision about securing your future with LIC of India.